The second prize again goes to Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. The student is Suganush. In civil engineering, the first prize goes to Avinashi Lingam Institute for Higher Education for Women. The students are Shubhashini and Aishwarya Lakshmi. The second prize goes to Adi Parasakti Engineering College. The students are Andoni Joe and Chakraputran. There was a combined session in cluster Civil, Aero and Mechanical. The first prize goes to Avinashi Lingam University for women, Surya Kumari and Yajur Shamala. The second prize goes to KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology. The students are Gogula Krishnan and Sasi Kumar. Now we move on to project design contest, a prestigious one. There are only 3 prizes, but the judges found it very difficult to decide the first 3. So they have recommended 6 prizes, 3 consolation prizes, 1 third prize, 1 second prize, and finally 1 final one. I read out the consolation prizes. The 6th one, the cash prize is 5,000 rupees. Again, next. Another consolation prize, the technology. Now third prize, the innovative project, new generation bicycle. The chief guest was telling about the moving road. Now these people have done a new bicycle, next generation bicycle, done by Arun Bharat, Joe Francis, Sendil Kumar of Bhandari Amman. Second prize, University again, College of Engineering Gindi, Ravi Shekhar, Sam Prabhu, Rahul and S.V. Rogan. So, PhD, Gindi, College of Engineering Gindi. Vignesh Lakshmi Narasimhan. Second prize again goes to BIT, Naveen Gautaman, Prithviraj and third prize goes to the college MUJCE. That is the college. Vasant Kumar, Ajit Kumar. MBJ Bangalore. MBJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. Next one. Again, second prize goes to Welltech Multitech, Deepak Akshavardhan. Third prize goes to R. Dinesh. Next, Robomania. First prize goes to Pondicherry Engineering College, Kumaresh and John Lewis. Third prize goes to BIT, Naveen, Naresh, Jagdish and Pramesh. In aeronautical engineering, second prize goes to BIT, Yuvaraj, Narendran and Deepak. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan College of Engineering and Technology, Pugalendi, Karthik and Magesh. There is another competition, Best Design. Thank you, sir.
Experience in coming and participating in the paper presentation conducted by BIT Futura, and it was really exciting. And I take this moment to thank each and every dignitaries who gave us this opportunity to expose our talents. So thank you, and I'd like to say that best is always yet to come, and hence. Try more and hope next time will be even better. And thanks a lot. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you all.
Good afternoon, honored of present over here. Myself Vasant Kumar from MBJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. This is my third time to participate at BIT. The Futura 2000 was really The Futura 2011 was really awesome, especially robotic events and Metavia. I have been participating in who made Big Futura a grand fest and give me a great opportunity to participate in Futura 2011. Thank you, Ronaldo. Thank you.
And this is my second time participation in Futura. Actually, every time I try to win, but this is the one I won in the past Futuras I have attended, and I'm very much thankful to the judges and everyone here. And this Futura will be very much useful for the innovators to come up in their life and with beautiful projects. And again, once again, I thank them all to select my project as the first. I got my $50,000. I'm really grateful. Thank you.
This is my first time to participate in paper presentation and get first prize. And this Futura is really excellent. And the services done by the students are also good. I hope that next year also I should come here and participate. Thank you, Namaste.
Good evening, friends. I am M.B. Vishwanathan from 3rd year BTech X-ray Technology in PhD College of Technology. I thank this Bannari College of Technology to provide this greater opportunity to express myself. And also my immense thanks goes to the textile department of Bannari Institute of Technology, because I found so many problems for my presentation. And I will ask them for the suggestions. They will tell no problem. You definitely done your presentation is very well, and we will helpful to you for all of the things. And also for my even on last minute itself, they will provide a greater opportunity for my presentation. I must thank you for this Bannari College. Thank you.
It has been very pleasure to stay here in the campus for the 3 days. Actually, I appreciate the volunteers who guide us in a very good manner. Actually, it will be not in every colleges, but this is one of the colleges which guide us in a very good manner.
Even though I'm a final year student, I wish that in the next event, that is in the next year, this institute will see for a betterment, that is to include extra events in order those who are not satisfied will become satisfied. For my juniors, they will get more opportunities. So if we add more events and also see to that you don't congest the schedule. So as your student coordinator Ashwin stated that there is a room for betterment in every aspect. So I see to that this institute will make a improvement in these aspects. Thank you.
It's Dr. K.P. Isaac.
Thank you, sirs. We now request our beloved Principal, Dr. A. Shanmugam, to propose the vote of thanks.
Dr. S.V. Balasubramanian, beloved Director Dr. X.C. Sundaram, respected Chief Executive Dr. A. Nadarajan, distinguished guests and special invitees, staff and students coordinator of Futura 2011, our learned members of faculty, representatives from press and media, delegates of this national level Students Technical Symposium and Project Design Contest, my dear proud students of BIT, and ladies and gentlemen, good evening to one and all present here. I stand before you privileged and honored to propose a vote of thanks on the occasion of the valedictory function of Futura 2011, a national level Students Technical Symposium and Project Design Contest. Futura is one of the most august assemblies held every year in BIT, and it not only focuses on the themes of social responsibility, competitiveness, qualities, values and ethics, in technical education, but also paves way for innovation in the field of science and technology. The BIT puts forward its mission to instill a sense of pride among the Indian youth by offering great intellectual inputs by which it ignites the young minds to drive the nation towards the dignified status of the supreme power in the global arena. This technical symposium is another endeavor to provide an ambience for innovations through academic pursuits. It is indeed a unique opportunity for us to have Dr. K.P. Isaac, Member Secretary, All India Council TKG. You know how many colleges under him? 20,000, 20,000 colleges, which includes not only engineering technology, catering, corporate skill, MCA, MBA programs. New Delhi on this August occasion as the Chief Guest. Sir, on behalf of the BIT family, I wholeheartedly thank you for having adorned the occasion with your precious presence and your thought-provoking valedictory address. And also, you suggested that innovations are laboratory to be started in each engineering college. I think we'll be starting shortly. On behalf of the management and chairman, we assure you that maybe the next time, if you come over here, you can see some of the R&D and advanced center of excellence you can see in our campus, sir. Thank you very much for your advice and other things. Thank you very much, sir. Once again, I wish to express my deep sense of gratitude to our beloved chairman, Dr. S.V. Balasubramaniam, sir, for his minute-to-minute guidance and constant support to every point of time in the organization of this mega event, but for his fascinating insight and scholarship and visionary approach, this 3-day symposium would have not been a successful one. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I would like to place on the record my sincere thanks and gratitude to our director, Dr. A.C. Sundararaman, for his able guidance and his words of motivation, making the future of 2011 an exemplary one for the students' community. Thank you very much, sir. I take this opportunity to render my hearty thanks to our Chief Executive, Dr. A. Nadarajan, distinguished guests, and invitees, friends from press and media, learned members of faculty, officers from Banari Amman Sugars, and the delegates of this symposium who have come from different parts of our country for making this function resound with success. And even on these dimensions cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling months in advance. It requires meticulous planning and execution and an eye for details. I have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues who know their job and are result-oriented. I am deprived of words to extend with gratitude to my colleagues for the involvement they have shown and the willingness they have expressed to take on the completion of the task beyond their comfortable zones. Thank you all, my colleagues. Thank you very much. I am delighted that our students have worked silently, anonymously, with absolute dedication to create a new and powerful methods for the conduct of the symposium to crystallize the development aspirations of the delegates from various states of the country. I wholeheartedly congratulate all the students for their wonderful accomplishments and thank each and every one for their making future 2011 resound with success. I once again thank you each one, everyone for making future a memorable one. Thank you very much.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ